Hi everyone, welcome back to my A-level biology lecture series. In this lesson, we will explore the overview of the meiosis. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the behavior of chromosome in plants and animal cells during meiosis and the associated behavior of the nuclear envelope, the cell surface membrane, and the spindle. You are expected to know prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2, as well as interpret photomicrograph and diagram of cells in different stages of meiosis and identify the main stages of meiosis. Let's get started. Meiosis. It is a specialized form of nuclear division that occurs in diploid nuclei to produce 4 genetically different haploid nuclei. During this process, the chromosome number is halved, ensuring that each cell contains only one set of unpaired chromosomes. Meiosis consists of 2 consecutive divisions, which are meiosis 1, and during meiosis 1, homologous chromosomes are separated, resulting in 2 haploid nuclei. But this chromosome still consists of 2 sister chromatids. Therefore, during meiosis 2, sister chromatids are separated, producing a total of 4 genetically distinct haploid nuclei. During this 2 meiotic division, a diploid cells will be divided into 4 haploid nuclei or 4 haploid gametes. So the diagram summarizes the entire process of meiosis, which include meiosis 1. The role of meiosis 1 is to separate homologous chromosome. It starts from the interphase, followed by prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, and cytokinesis. And after that, during meiosis 2, where sister chromatids are separated in a series of meiotic division known as prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2, and cytokinesis. In part 2, we are going to look at each phase of meiosis 1, and as well as in part 3, we're going to look at each phase during meiosis 2, and we have to understand and to learn the entire process in detail. With that, we have come to the end of this lesson. Hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. See you in the next lesson and have a great day.